Alright, so this is video day one. You can join me while I cook a steak and chat shit about my net worth. So, I guess we'll start things off by saying my net worth. At the moment, I'd value myself around 25,000 Australian. Uh, yeah, about 25,000 Australian is what I'd say I'm worth right now. And that's broken into, so that's my complete net worth. So I'm talking about money in my bank account, um, crypto, how much money I got in crypto, because I've got quite a bit in crypto. I'm selling my car, so that's involved as well. Car's about 7,000. I've got about 6,500 in my bank. I think I've got about 5k in my about 5k in crypto. In fact, so yeah, I've got six and a half in one account, one bank account, like 800 in another bank account, and then 1,000 in another bank account because I've got two British bank accounts which I've got a bit of money in still. So yeah, so there's that, and then other things like I took into account, uh, like tech, all my tech, because it's a lot of money, and I'm going to include it because I fucking can. Uh, and that is all I included actually. So yeah, so that's about. There you go. There's all my calculations added up. About 25k. That's what I'm worth right now. Um, so income streams. How do I have that money? How am I making money? Um, at the moment, primarily, it's literally just work. I've got a good job. I work a lot of hours, to be fair. Um, I'm on good money. I'm actually on a day rate of $54 an hour, uh, as a cabinet maker, which is great. Which is great. Um, yeah, I can't really ask for much more than that at the moment. Uh, Hours are pretty long, but I guess it's more money. But I need to figure that one out actually. So yeah, that is like my main income stream, and so I dabble in crypto as well. At the moment, I'm not making. I'm fucking losing money on crypto. I know Bitcoin's up right now, hitting all-time highs this weekend and all that shit. But uh, I tell you what. So at the start of the year, I made I had 70,000 in my account at one point. Right at the start of the year, I had 70k because I made some good money on a meme coin. Now, unfortunately, I'm a retard, so I can't say that. I'm stupid, and I kept it in there. And yeah, so I lost all of that money. Quite a lot of it, actually. Most of it. I mean, I bought some nice things out of it. I bought a motorbike and I bought a watch or whatever, but it don't really matter. Look, you live and you learn. It was a fucking expensive lesson, which I have learned the lesson of. Don't pull your eggs on one basket, and don't be fucking greedy. You can't make all of the money. You make some of the money, but you can't make all of the money. That's what I'm learning. Still learning. Yeah, in fact, that day was so bad because what was the bad things that happened? Yeah, so I bought this motorbike and I crashed it on the same day. I lost all that money pretty much. Like there was one day where the market cap of that coin just dropped significantly, and that day I crashed my bike and then I lost a good position in a job in the UK. I had like a good opportunity in the UK which I lost. So yeah, just all these things were just happening, and then I felt really lost, and I literally didn't have enough money to like buy the food I wanted to buy at the supermarket. It was a bit of a low, especially because I'm in the Australia by myself, no real family around. I've got my auntie who lives like a couple of hours away, but yeah, it wasn't the best. It wasn't the best. Um, but it did make me pull my finger up my arse because I was feeling like, oh, I'm finally rich. I'm finally getting somewhere. Um, no, you're not. But we're back at it again. We're at about 25k now. Um, yeah. So I've done a little roadmap, and I'll put that on the screen now so you can see, and you're just going to see the progress through that, and you're going to see me go up and up and up and up, and then down and down and down and up and up and up and up. It's not going to be a straight rise up. Like, you're a dummy if you think that's going to happen. It won't. Obviously, I'd love it to, and we'll try for that, but it just won't. Like, for example, the 70k example. I'm sure I'm going to do something stupid like that again. We'll try not to. Check the food, by the way. Oh yeah, we've got a little steak here, some green shit. I made some like chippy sweet potato things the other day. And a bit of green shit in there as well. So yeah, I'll be having some of that for my lunch, dinner. I don't know. It's like 3 o'clock. I've had a long weekend this weekend. I got today off, which is Monday, and then I also had a half day on Friday. So this has been really nice actually. Needed the break. What's next? Yeah. So upcoming income streams I'm looking at. I'm looking to. So I already do a little bit of forex trading, but I'm still trying to figure out accounts I can use for leverage. If anyone has any ideas on that, I would love to know, because the leverage I'm getting at the moment is absolutely shit, and it's just not even worth me fucking doing it, because you're looking at it and you're not making much money, and it's just not. I don't have much of an incentive to make little money from the leverage they give me. Um, so yeah, so that, but I'm gonna get to that. Like, I figure this one out. I figure that one out, because I like the idea of trading gold, and I like the idea of trading silver and oil, and just foreign exchanges. It's just good. It seems to be a feasible way to make some money. So that's definitely going to be something I'm going to be looking into very soon. Or a couple of things to work out before I get onto that. Sorry, I hope this is not too loud. In fact, let me just put a muffler on. Alright, so yeah, that's the financials out of the way. Net worth 25k. I've got main income stream, which is just work. I'm looking at doing some more forex and the business as well. We'll develop on this. We'll obviously develop on this, because this ain't a millionaire status idea. Yeah, what am I trying to say here? You ain't gonna make $1 million with that, mate. I mean, you would, but not in the time frame I want to do it. So we'll stay tuned on that. Travel. That is the primary focus of this channel. So what have I actually got in store for you? So obviously I've got Australia. I'm in Australia right now, and I'm doing loads of bits and bobs here. So you'll see some Australia content, but the big one is the end of year trip I've got planned, which I'm starting in November, and that is just going to be absolutely out of this world. You have to stay tuned into that, because even if you don't like the financial side of it, this is going to be unreal. I cannot wait. I'm going to Indonesia first, to this place called Raja Ampat, and that is the most biodiverse place in the world. Literally is insane. Like, you get some crazy shit there, and mate, if you haven't heard of this place before, stay tuned, because I'm going to do a full tour there. I'm going to spend like 20 days there, I think, before my next place, and oh mate, I cannot wait. I'm literally just living for the moment where I'm in Raja Ampat. I don't even understand how much I'm excited for this. It's going to be so great. So yeah, we've got Raja Ampat, and then we're going to go to some place in Java, see some volcanoes as well. And then we're going to go to Europe, go to Norway, go to Amsterdam, and then back home to the UK, and spend the Christmas in the UK. Then we go to Wales as well at some point. Mate, I've got so much planned. So yeah, excited. Can't wait. Steak. Eggs, steak, green shit, some sweet potato, some more green shit.